Group is based out of Taiwan. They are 6 years old and they are having a wide range of machine tool brands under them.
We have 20 years 5-axis machine manufacturing experience. From 10 years ago, we start to do the business in aerospace market, especially in China and Korea. And 2 years ago, we start to cooperate with Phillips in India aerospace market.
Since I visit India since 2023 index until now already around 2.5 years, and I visit so many companies like Tata Advance, Mahindra, and Motherson. From those companies increase their parts and their order, I feel there will be one big jump for India aerospace industry now, because as before China is the world of the factory, but now switch those orders to the India.
Today I will introduce our machine HS1400. This is a horizontal 5-axis machine with turning functions. The turning speed can up to 700 RPM. The maximum diameter of this machine is 1.8 meter. You can have a different kind of option for spindle and milling head, including HSK 63, fork type head, universal head, or HSK 100A spindle. And for the table, you can have a 1 meter, 1.2, 1.4, or 1.6 meter for different kind of applications.
You may know TT APEC, a company which builds advanced 5-axis machines, especially for the aerospace application. They are already in India selling their products for the last 2 years.
So we believe India will be the #1 OEM factory or your premium brand aerospace for this world. And we can offer a different solution for your product. First one is CFRP, second one is aluminium, and the third one is superalloy and titanium. So those one you can find from us through the Phillips Machine Tools and another dealer.